So we cannot take this impossible. We cannot get this. By this Asraya Tattva, Asraya Avalambana, Visaya Avalambana, Asraya Avalambana, this Vibhavas explained in the proper way. By example, by what I explained, if we go to detail to understand all the Siddhanta there, and the Lila Tattva there, and the Bhava Rasa Tattva there, and we take particularly what is that, we will test this with our soul. It's there, the Guru Tattvas and Krishna Tattvas all was there with this, related to same the goal. So, by Guru Vaishnava's mercy, I think this subject I never discussed out. I never discussed, and it came out. So, by Radharani's mercy and Gauranga Mahaprabhu's mercy, and Vaishnavas, all Vaishnavas merciful, when this fire increased and came to Maharaj, such fire also came to me. So this fire now take us, which fire Krishna also burned himself. He is also burned. So he melted this. Jagannath's his form, which is melted, his hand, leg and eyes and everything, same Mahabhava, which is given the instance of Radharani, Gauranga Mahaprabhu, Radharani's same which melted him also, and he became like this. And when Narada saw by this hearing his Leela, this Leela, which is the separation mood of Leela, when they explained this, already he melted this. When Narada came, saw Narada astonished. Then when they come to Narmal, Krishna became over. I feel that Brajalila came to my heart. And he told, because Narada was there, he told, because your presence it happened. He told Narada, what you want, you beg me, I will give. Narada told, Lord, if you are bless me, please, you, this form, you can give darshana to everyone. And Subhadra was inside, Balaram and Krishna, both two sides, because inside was discussion was going on in internal room. So they all are there, and Rohini told them, if we start this topic, he is sure they come. They cannot stay there. This is the character of Krishna. He told, Mother Bhaktaha Jatra Gayanti, Tatra Tistamina. He entered everybody's heart and he stay beside there. So he cannot stay, he will come. Then if he come, then we cannot explain it. So then what to do this? Then they, Rukmini and Satyabhama and others, they told Subhadra was there. But he is the sister. So sister has love to brother. She can force them, she can speak them, they have more affection because brother and sister is poor. Then they told to Subhadra, we will give nice ornament to you. You obey our one instruction, advice to what I will give you valuable ornament. What you want, nice cloth, nice ornament, everything. But you have today one thing you do. When your brothers come, you stop there in the door. Then he told, okay, what is the problem? I can stop my brother. What is the problem? Why you are saying to do these things, all this? Okay, you can do this. And he sit in the door. And when Krishna Balaram, they started to explain this, they attracted from the king that they meeting. They are there. Then immediately Krishna told, brother, I don't feel good. I don't feel good. I want to go to house. Then Balaram told, I am also don't feeling good. I cannot stay here. So they run. They come. When they came, they want to enter inside. But the Katha is so bhav, all are just floating in this way. And Yashoda was Subhadra was sitting there because they don't know Krishna's pastimes, brother. They don't know this because they never come and never see and never only Uddhav, only one who came and who saw this. No others, they don't know anything. And Rohini knows because before Krishna's birth and Balarama's birth and after they come, she was there. So she knows everything. She told nobody knows in Dwaraka what is there. Because sometimes Krishna in the night time she calling Radhe, Lalita, Visakha, Rukmani, Satyama, all princess love him, they become disturbed. What is this? Why this is this? We are all servicing with our whole heart to do this. Then they discuss. In the night time she is uttering this way. What they did, what service we wanted to do service with our whole heart, but they never is so never think as because Krishna's in Dwaraka, the household life we see every day. When Brahma Murta 3:30 came, he immediately wake up. The all queens just dying. They don't want to free go out. But immediately Krishna wake up, take a bath, and he do his Gayatri, and they do started sacrifice, and go to father and mother, ask them, touch their feet, and give some charity cows, and all he's doing this, then come and take prasad, food like this, then go to duty. Punctuality completely you see. Dwaraka Lila, how is it? Punctuality, and the queens, they know, they have hundreds of maid servants, they never allow to anyone to do, because they want to do personally with him, and they personally with their whole arts of their talking, their movement of their eyes, with the body, physically, mentally, bhava, and all these symptoms they do. But never one day they control Krishna. Never became to control to him. Immediate come, take a prasad, laughing, looking like it, immediately fell bed asleep. Immediately fell asleep. They are just dying there and night time they could not sleep and they see in the windows. Ocean. Ocean, Gurari, Vila, Pasi, Vita, Nidra. It is Priti Sandarbha from Bhagavata. Jiva Goswami has taken and writing this. Also, this is the symptoms of the prema Hejari. It is the bard told you are also like us, you are also crying for him. You don't sleep night time. When they saw the ocean, you don't sleep also like us. We are same like dying this with our husband. Krishna never don't care, he is sleeping. Immediately 3:30 wake up and go to do duty and go this way. When this is holiday time, they go swimming pool and garden, they do all these things. But very strict character. Very strict character. So they all, no one able 60,000 and more these queens with they are Lakshmis. They are all gods and all these opulence. This no one they became to Pramathim Indriyehi is given this one. No one able to take his mind to control this particularly as written there. So this is the age and battle in the night time is calling Lalita, Visakha and Radha. So they become wonder. So we are all doing this, and why he is talking this way? What is that? Vrindavan. What is that? They don't then have inquisitive, then all together they discussed. Then they went to Rohini. They asked, because Rohini only knows. Mother, what is the Vrindavan there? We are servicing so nicely with love to do this, and we never spring and never is one day. Sometimes he is calling to me, Radha, sometimes calling you to me, to Lalita, Vishakha, Lalita. We don't know what it is. Then Rohini told you don't know what is his character and what is Vrindavan's habitants and how much love they have. You don't know this.